Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update. Today has one of the good recovery day for the market. As we can see, we opened almost on a flat note, 50 points up on the Sensex. Then again, some selling came in and the market did tank about 50 odd points down on the Sensex. Now this was led because of the selling on the Chinese markets, as the Shanghai market was down at one point of time when our market open was almost down by 4.5 to 5%. There was 2008-9 levels when the Shanghai market crashed during those Lehman crisis levels. Now I would like to tell you that for the coming on to right now, the Sensex is up by almost 185 points up. Now this has led to few factors contributing to the gainers list, which I can point you out that this is pure a short covering, and this looks like that the large cap indices like in real estate sector, in banking, as well in metals and some of the pharma IT which were hammered. I mean, the traders are just covering those kind of short position and sitting on the edge as the stocks have taken a huge beating. Now, as you can see, DLF, that is JP Associates, JP Power, Sterlite, Hindalco, we have SBI, Axis Bank. All these stocks have been hammered almost by 5 to 10% from their high last week. So there would be at some point in time kind of a profit booking or a short covering. So this is what the day looks like. Right now the Chinese market, which was down by almost 5%, is just down only 1.5%. So that is also one of the kind of reason, kind of you can say a sentimental level which has brought back kind of a buying or a short covering back into the Indian market. Now let's go to the gainers. We have TCS, we have Bharti, we have Reliance, which is on kind of on the gainers side and contributing to on the Nifty and the Sensex. We have a couple of other real estate stocks which are kind of up. DLF, we have HDIL, which has kind of bounced back after hitting kind of all-time low. Friends, on the metal side, we have JSW Steel, Tata Steel, which is kind of on a flattish note, but they are trying to barge up on the kind of buyers list. JSW Steel looks promising though from the two. Friends, coming back to the banking, we have seen Axis Bank, SBI performing good. Yes Bank on the mid-cap side is doing pretty decent at the today's level. On the Forex, we have 59.45, 59.20 vis-a-vis the dollar. Now it's getting more and more stabilizing and complicated at this level, whether the rupee will go up or rupee will go down. Stocks and news, I would like to say Apollo Tyres, the management has said that they are receiving less order supplies from Tata Motors and Maruti because of the slowdown in the car sales. So this has led to Apollo Tyres another down by 2.5 to 3%. Strides Arcolab has also got a kind of anti-malarial drug, WHO qualified drug. So that's the good news for the company, but the stock is flat right now. Ranbaxy got a big breather after the Supreme Court dismissed its PIL that they have not manufactured any adulterated drugs. So the stock is almost up by 3% after this news. Friends, these are all the news and updates we have. Please tune in to Post Market for further updates. As of now, the market today is looking good and it should stay good. If any follow-up buying, then the market might go up from this level too. Thank you.